Let's say I had two decks of cards here, deck A and deck B. And deck A will have the numbers 2, 5, 9, and 10 in that deck. And deck B has the numbers 1, 4, 7, and 8. And the question we'd like to ask right now is, what is a quick way to sort these two decks? Or better yet, what is a way to sort the union of these two decks? How to sort A and B. In other words, if we put all 8 of these cards together, what's a fast way of sorting it given these two decks right now? Well, the first thing to notice is that both of these decks are sorted, right? Deck A is sorted in increasing order. Deck B is sorted in increasing order. And we'd somehow like to be able to use that fact to help us sort even faster, or to sort this A plus B even faster. And so how we're going to do that is we're going to start a pile. We're going to start a pile of cards. And how we're going to create this pile of cards is we're going to look at the top of the deck of each A and B. And what our rule is going to be is that we're always going to take the smallest card from the deck. So our rule is to look at deck A and B and take the smallest one each time. So to reiterate, our goal here is to combine decks A and B into a sorted deck, and to do so efficiently. And to do that efficiently, we're going to use the fact that both deck A and deck B have already been sorted. So what does this look like? Well, we're going to look at the top of these two decks. And right here, that 1 in the green pile is the smallest number. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that and put that into our pile here. Let me make sure I draw this small enough. We're going to take the 1. Looking at the two piles, the top of the two piles, the number 1 from deck B seems to be the smallest. Alright. So now we've taken this 1 card out. Now we don't have this card anymore. And now 4 is the top of deck B. And so let's compare the tops again. Between 4 here, the top of deck B, and 2, the top of deck A. Deck A has the smaller card. So our next step is going to be to put the deck A card here. Let me redraw this. I'm going to put 2 here. And now this card has been taken off the top of our deck. We're going to continue this pattern. Look at 5 and 4. Look at 5 and 4. 4 is smaller, so we're going to take the top of this pile. Let me redraw that line just so it's a bit neater. We're going to take the 4 card and place it here. And now this card's gone. So look at between 5 and 7. 5 is smaller, so we're going to take that card. That's going to be our next card on top. And the pattern is going to continue itself. We're going to look at 7 and 8. I'm going to stop drawing the arrows. We're going to have a 7. We're going to erase the 7. We're going to look at the tops again. 8 is smaller, so 8 is going to end up here. Now this card is gone. And now we're just going to look at these two tops. And obviously comparing the 9 with nothing at the top of deck B. Now we've used all the cards in deck B. Comparing 9 with nothing. Well, we're just going to put the 9 card down. Put the 9 down. Erase it. And then finally the 10 card. So what we've done right now is we've figured out a way to sort these two decks in an efficient way by using the property that the original decks that we got were sorted. And so we're going to work that idea into Mergesort. This will be the basis of Mergesort. And we will cover that in the next video.